Hello and welcome to week 5. Today with picture. How about that? It's a beautiful hot day where I'm at, and I thought since we're talking about 3 to 5 year olds, I'll engage my 2.5 and 4.5 grandchildren with you because they have this fun little video. And here they go. They have a pool in my backyard that I sometimes set up. And look at those two sisters. Well, that's for you to laugh at. And here is our week 5. We have a to-do list to look at. And what we're learning about 3 and 5 year olds is represented very nicely in this link. I absolutely adore this website. It is the Search Institute, and they've done this is all very research based, and they have a wonderful information set for parents or for educators. Here you have some information about strengthening families, understanding ages and stages, and they have a media library and free resources. But here's some information for you to take a look at for the 3 to 5 year olds and some of their milestones and their emotional development, their physical development, their social development, their spiritual development. And when you're looking at the physical development, hopping, climbing, swinging, doing somersaults certainly begins at this stage. By 5, most kids can stand on 1 foot for 10 seconds or more. And so having some backyard fun, even though it just seems wild and crazy, also is a great way to support physical development. So that's one of our resources. And what did we do this week? Well, first of all, you get to look at the Knowledge Path assignments, and that gives you a lot of wonderful information about those 3 to 5 year olds. There's a discussion board where you actually will create a video discussing 3 different recipes that promote the development of children between ages 3 and 5. Now, this is going to be technologically challenging for you, but hey, we're sophisticated people, and it definitely will be a lot of fun to see each other's videos. Then your individual assignment in terms of the case study of William, there's part 3. And this is again a chance where you can shine with your developmental information. And finally, for the individual assignment second, what you will do is pick a children's book, and identify that, describe how the content relates to development, the milestones of 3 to 5 year olds children. Now, this is an incredibly important time in a person's life, because this is if children by age 5 or 6 have not developed a social relationship with at least one peer, really their social development is in jeopardy. So we make sure that children have these opportunities, and as Piaget calls them, affordances, to develop intellectually, socially, and otherwise. And last week we talked about Bronfenbrenner, and of course having a supportive environment for children for their development at this time is very important. So my hope is always that you become active in your community and support children there, and we can do that with volunteering. We can do it with politics, making sure that politicians keep Head Start, for example, in place, supporting our local school districts, and making sure there is plenty of support for young children. So that is this week. As always, feel free to contact me with any questions. If you submit your assignments on time, you can always correct them. And I'm having a lot of fun with this class. I hope you do too. That's it. We'll talk to you later.